Hi, my name's Rachel, and I'm a program specialist with AnswerLine. Let's talk about getting ready for canning season. As the temperatures begin to rise, we know that means canning season is just around the corner. Having equipment ready and recipes selected before fresh produce arrives helps to assure a successful canning season. Safe canning methods include the boiling water bath method, the atmospheric steam canner method, and the pressure canner method. Each method uses a different type of canner. Electric multi-cooker appliances should not be used for canning. Water bath and atmospheric steam canners. These require little maintenance and are used for canning high-acid foods, pickles, fruit spreads, and most tomato products. Water bath canners have fitted lids. If you have a pressure canner, that can be used as a water bath canner if it is deep enough that at least 1 to 2 inches of briskly boiling water covers the tops of the jars during processing. All canners should be checked for signs of wear and tear and corrosion on the body and lid. Pressure canners. They are used for low-acid foods including vegetables, some tomato products, and meats. Pressure canners have a weighted gauge, a dial gauge, or both, indicating and regulating pressure. Pressure canners with dial gauges must be tested annually for accuracy. Dial gauges that are off by more than 2 pounds of pressure should be sent to the manufacturer for repair or replacement. Weighted or rocker-type pressure regulators do not require annual testing. The canner's vent and safety valve should be cleaned. Use a very small bottle brush or small clean cloth to run through the holes to make sure they are clean and operating freely. Check the gasket if your canner has one. It should be soft and flexible, not brittle, sticky, or cracked. If it needs to be replaced, you can usually find them in a hardware store, or they can be ordered from the manufacturer. Removable perforated or shaped wire racks are essential to keep jars off the bottom of the canner. Mason-type jars specifically designed to withstand the heat necessary for home canning should be used. Check the jars for rim nicks, blemishes, and hairline scratches or cracks. Jars exhibiting any issues should not be used for canning. 2-piece lids are needed to seal the jars. The flat lid can only be used once, while the ring band may be reused unless it is rusty or dented. Canning your own garden produce or farmers market produce can be rewarding and a great way to save your food for later. Be ready by planning and preparing now. And as always, make sure if you have any questions to reach us at AnswerLine.